Good morning. You're here with Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal. We're here today on a very small cap sheet repair. So what we have a granular cap sheet, and the client literally has a pinhole of a hole in his cap sheet. So I'll show you what it looks like. So there you go. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but the hole is right here. Very small. You can see the screwdriver touching in. And then we also have a repair here that we have to do. We can see the overhand flashing coming out through the cap sheet. Okay, so you can see the two small hole repairs. Again, very small. A lot of times you might be sold a whole new roof and you really don't need to. You just need to find the leak. It takes a bit of time, it takes a bit of a process, but you find the leak and repair it. You can save yourself thousands. What I'm going to be using today is a polybitumen resin-based product. So that is, we open it. It's almost like an elastic coating, but it would adhere well to the cap sheet. So that's what you don't want to put something that will over time just delaminate from the cap sheet. So we're going to put that on. Two small holes, shouldn't take long. First, very important, obviously we have to dry it. I'm using a licer gun. So we're going to dry the cap sheet. If we don't dry it, it's not going to adhere well. So we're going to dry it, apply it, and that's it. We're done. I'll show you what it looks like. Thanks. Okay, you can see the area drying here. If we don't dry it, we're not going to get a good adhesion. So we've got to dry the cap sheet. And we're going to do the same process here. You can see the discoloration. You can see there is the flashing from underneath. It's coming over. So we just got to dry the area. And then we will apply. You can already see the drying process happening and a better color coming to the cap sheet. There we go. I'll just pull back a bit. You can see the two areas we had to repair. And we'll apply the bitumen. Okay, now I just want to take a moment and show you, if you take your time, whether you do it yourself or you hire a professional to repair the roof, really you could save thousands. So a client called me, he said, the roof's leaking. I need a new roof. I said, okay, no problem. We came in, I took a look, and ultimately we found two small holes, did the repair, and we saved him thousands. I'm going to show you the size of the roof, the detailing, just to see what it would have had to look like should he have put a new roof on. Okay, here's the new roof. Here's the roof. He really didn't need a new roof at all. You can see the detailing's fine, the shingles look good. He even have a skylight, so possibly somebody would have said you need a new skylight. But again, you can see the two small repairs we did in the back. The roof's in good shape. I put this roof another 5 to 8 years remaining. Okay, so we put the two small patches. You can see one patch there and one patch over here. Anyway, you can see the two small patches. We're gonna wait, we're gonna let it set a bit, and then I'm gonna put a second coating on top, just give it a bit more stronger durability. There you go. Hope you liked it, hope you learned something. If you're in the southwestern Ontario area, we'd love to hear from you. You can find us online at legacyroofs.com. Thank you so much.